first question, you actually get it wrong. Okay, let's go through. It says that same tuition class start 5 minutes to 1500. He was 1/4 hour late. What time did he arrive? Okay, let's go back here. His lesson starts at what time? If it's 5 minutes before 3 o'clock, right? The lesson will start at 1455. Correct or not? 1455. So he's 1/4 hour late. 1/4 times 60 minutes will actually give you a value of 15 minutes. So his class start here, and then he's 15 minutes late. 15 minutes late, he will start here, what? Correct. Here he did 5 minutes late. Then here is another 10 minutes late. So it's 3 o'clock, 1510. So the answer will be this. Okay, the second question is a number gives the same answer when round to the 10, 100 and 1000. The answer you actually gave me is actually number 4. Correct, but this is wrong. You see, if number 4, right, if you round this off to the 10 is 2900, right? Right off to the 100 is also 2900. But what when right off to the 1000 is what? Become this. So it's wrong. The answer here should be number 3. Because when you right off to the 10, it's actually 3000. To the 100, here 100 this it's also 3000, and 1000 is also 3000. Okay, so let's go back and see what other question. Question number 2. Question number 4. Okay, question number 4 is actually the answer is actually 2. You can try this out by cutting the pattern out and then fold, as what I did previously in other assessment. Okay, then we'll go to question number 9. It's question number 7. Okay, your problem here is you didn't realize it says a 4-day course, okay, and then it says Thursday is a public holiday, and it's asking you the average attendance for 4 days. You actually gave 5 days. Do you realize that? Here, you divide by 5. So let's go back to this question. I'll just add out and then divide by 4 lah. So 175 plus 200 plus 150 plus 175 divided by 4. You actually have this value. This is question number 7. Then we are going on to question number 9. Okay, question number 9. I noticed that you actually take the speed here. Okay, take this one. You take the speed and then you go and divide by the distance. We are looking for the fraction, right? If I'm not wrong. Wait, question number 9. Okay, we're looking for the fraction. Move this out. Can I move this out? Okay, never mind. Actually, you have the question. You have the question. So actually, let me do this. Okay, set off at 200 kilometer journey at a speed. This is speed. You know distance equals to speed times time. You have to remember this triangle, correct or not? And then here is what? Here is distance. So it says that the total distance is actually 200 kilometer. It's actually asking you, if travel at the speed of 75 kilometer per hour for 20 minutes. So this 20 minutes, he maybe travel until this distance. What is the fraction of the total distance that he traveled? He's looking what? For the total distance that he had traveled. So he traveled until the fraction is looking for the fraction. Here is distance. I'm looking for the distance here to have the fraction, to get the fraction, right? So I know the speed. I know, if once you know the speed, it's very easy, because you know the speed, the distance is equal to speed times time. So distance for 20 minutes, the speed is 75 kilometer per hour. But you know this is time, this is 20 minutes, right? 20 minutes, you need to convert it into hour, because this is per hour. So I need to convert it into hour. So 1 hour equals 60 minutes, correct? Then what about 20 minutes? 20 minutes will be equals to 20 divided 60 hour. So here is what? 20 divided 60 hour. I cancel off. For 20 minutes, he will have traveled a distance of 25 kilometer. So now I go and find the fraction. The fraction will be 25 kilometer divided 200 kilometer. You will eventually get 1/8. Okay, be very careful when you read the question, because you are just taking the speed to divide with the distance. Asking you the distance. Okay, so question 13 is 13 here. Okay, question 13. This is very similar to a paper that actually I did with you. You go and find AE on the 20th June 2022 question 1. You go and find back this video to see, okay? But we can go through. So it says there's a bag of pencil. If each student take 3 pencil, there will be 20 pencil left. And if each student take 4 pencil, there will be no pencil left. So what I did is, I just let one box be the number of students. And you know the total pencil is, one student take how many pencil, right? So if 4 student, 4 times student, right? Eachbody take 4 pencil. I have no left, no extra left, or there's no extra left. But then if one student take 3 pencil, I will have 20 pencil left. So plus 20 pencil. So I usually draw the lacking one first. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then here is 1, 2, 3. Because this is the total number of pencil, definitely this one should end here also. So here is 20. And then you can see that this 20 is 1 unit is actually 20. So the total number of pencil, which is this whole portion here, equals to 20 times 4, which is 80, which is this. It's similar to this question here. Please go and do your revision on this, okay? Okay, another one is actually question 14. Question 14 states that at 8:30, right, the tank was empty. So 8:30, the tank, this bar is empty. Okay, so by 12:30, right, the bar is the tank, it remains the same shape. It's 1/3. That means 1/3 full. 1/3 full, correct? So I need what? From 8:30 to 12:30, it took 4 hours to have 1/3 of the tank to be full, right? So it means 4 hours, 1 unit, just to fill up these things. This unit, 1 unit here, you need 4 hours. And I know the whole tank is actually 3 unit, right? So 3 unit will need what? 3 times 4 will be equals to 12 hours. To fill out the whole tank, you need 12 hours to fill out the whole tank. And then it's asking you, at what time would 3/4 filled with water flow from the tap at the same rate? So now I want 3/4 full. 3/4 times 12 hours. It will take me about 9 hours. 9 hours from 8:30 in order to fill out 3/4 of the tank. So I start from 8:30, right? 9 hours will be about 1730 will be 5:30 p.m. around there. Okay? And then here says that the figures, question 59, and here says that the figures is made up of 2 rectangle A and B. Then the ratio of A to B is 2:1. I can do my drawing. A, one box, right? Another box. Ratio 2:1, correct? Correct, right? And then it says that 25%. When I see percentage, I convert into what? I try to convert into a fraction. You go to the simplest term, it becomes 1/4. That means this A of A overlaps with B. A I cut into 4 parts. So here I cut half. Become 1/4, right? 1/4 of this is actually overlap with B, which means that B over here is also, this is the overlap portion. And then it's very obvious already. So what percentage of B was overlapped with A? The percentage is, this whole box is 100%. Half of it is 50%. Correct? Correct or not? So 50% of B overlaps with A, while 25% of A overlaps with B. Here is 25% for A, and here is 50% for B.